Hi there. In this video, we'll explore some surprising facts about traffic accidents involving animals. Every year, millions of animals, from deer and foxes in rural areas to cats and dogs in cities, end up in accidents on the roads. These incidents are dangerous not just for animals but for people too, often happening early in the morning or evening when animals are most active. Let's raise awareness and dive into the details now. The snake, attempting to cross the road diagonally, narrowly escaped being run over. Luckily, the tire just missed its head, and it managed to survive. Night drives are risky due to limited visibility and slower reaction times. In this video, the driver spots a cat at the last second but, with little braking distance, sadly hits it. A racing car speeding down the road fails to react in time to a deer jumping in front, resulting in a collision. The driver loses control, veering off the track and crashing into the barriers. Once again, due to the driver's negligence, they couldn't brake in time and unfortunately hit the deer. I believe with a quick maneuver and proper braking, the driver could have avoided the deer. It's a shame what happened. Did you see how it continued on the ground? Surprisingly, it got up and kept going, truly a lucky day for it. Now, let's take a look at traffic accidents involving motorcyclists. The absence of barriers on roads like this allows wild animals to wander dangerously onto the roadway. After rounding a curve, a deer jumps in front of the motorcyclist, who ends up practically catching it in his arms. Thankfully, neither the deer nor the motorcyclist suffered fatal injuries, and both were able to continue on their way. It's truly a stunning road, filled with peace and serenity. But soon, that tranquility will be shattered. A Honda rider traveling at 54 miles per hour fails to react to a deer suddenly jumping in front. The front wheel locks up, causing the motorcycle to flip. Riding with one hand might feel enjoyable, but it significantly slows down your reaction time. Always keep both hands on the handlebars for your safety.
Oh, they smell excellent.
Another sunny day and a breathtaking ride. The motorcyclist is traveling at 64 miles per hour and encounters a deer right at the exit of a turn.
Oh shit, a fucking deer!
The motorcyclist manages to escape the accident with only some material damage.
Oh my god! Damn! Turn your electrical off. Are you? Yo, is the deer down in the road?
Yeah.
Oh.
I think it's done.
Unfortunately, I have to blur these images. Sadly, the deer doesn't survive this tragic accident and succumbs to its injuries. Isn't it strange how the person filming shows no reaction at all?
Yes. I'm gonna go home and smoke them. Oh my god! Oh my god, Are you serious? Oh my god.
Unfortunately, the lost deer jumps onto the highway. The poor dog runs into the road, and the approaching driver can't stop in time. Probably an angry bull that escaped from an event, spreading fear around. Seeing the car as a threat, the bull charges at it. This massive elephant charges at the safari group's vehicle with incredible force. Elephants are incredibly strong and can cause significant damage when they feel threatened. Thankfully, the group narrowly escaped without serious injury, but it was a close call. An cow steps onto the train tracks, completely ignoring the warning signals from the train conductor. At the last moment, the cow narrowly escapes the oncoming train. The fact that cows can wander so close to the tracks is extremely dangerous, as it leaves little time for trains to react and stop in time. A car hits a bear, sending it tumbling to the side of the road. Due to the shock and likely injuries from the impact, the bear can't even get back on its feet. It's truly heartbreaking to see such a majestic animal suffering. The sight of such a magnificent and massive elephant passing so close to their cars leaves the children in awe and excitement. The sheer size of the elephant, just inches away, creates an unforgettable moment. It's both thrilling and a bit nerve-wracking to be that close to such a powerful animal, but the children can't help but be mesmerized by its presence.
Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Holy sh**.
A hippopotamus suddenly charges at the vehicle of people exploring the wild, caught off guard by the animal's aggression. With its immense strength, the hippo slams into the car, causing a panic. The people inside quickly start the engine and flee the scene, racing away to avoid further danger. It's a tense moment, as the speed and power of a hippo make it a formidable threat, especially in such close quarters. Here, a bison, unlike what we usually expect, suddenly charges at the car, smashing the rear bumper. The angry bison then circles around, causing a tense moment as it roams nearby, its power and size creating a real threat. A bear attempting to cross the road is hit by a car. In forested areas, driving slowly and attentively is essential to avoid such accidents. Due to the truck driver's negligence, dozens of cows were tragically killed. The motorcyclist really escaped this crash by a narrow margin. They could have easily fallen.
Shit.
Thanks to the motorcyclist's protective gear, they managed to escape without any physical injuries, showing just how crucial it is to wear proper safety equipment.
Yeah.
Without the right gear, the outcome could have been much worse. However, the same can't be said for the deer. The impact seems to have caused serious injuries, and it doesn't look like the animal is in good condition. It's a truly unfortunate and severe accident, affecting both the motorcyclist and the deer.
Could you help me lift this up? Oh man, hard to get any leverage.
Thank you for watching. We hope this video raised awareness about the risks wildlife faces on the roads and the importance of driving safely. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.
Yeah, he took a
Stay safe, stay alert, and we'll see you in the next one.
No, I just